If you keep working harder but your money isn't growing, you don't have a money problem, you have a system problem. Because wealth is not built by efforts alone, it's built by structures. And in the next few minutes, I will show you 5 steps that can help you from just earning to actually building wealth. Most people think wealth is all about making more money, so they hustle harder, chase more income, try side hustles. But I will tell you the factual truth now. If you don't fix how money flows through your life, more income won't save you either. It will just be exposing your bad system. That is why many people earn a lot but still struggle financially. In this video, I will teach you 5 simple step structures that wealthy people use, whether they say it loud or not. If you apply this properly, your money will start working for you instead of disappearing every month. Step 1, control your cash flow. That is the foundation. Think of your money like water. If your bucket has holes, it doesn't matter how much water you pour in, it will leak out. That's what most people are doing. Money comes in and disappears. You don't need complicated budgets. You just need awareness. Know how much you are earning. Know how much you spend. Where your money is going matters. But apply this simple rule. Track every money you make. Because if you can't track it, you can't grow it. Wealth starts with control, not more income. Step 2, pay yourself first. Most people do this backwards. They earn, spend, and save whatever that is left. Wealthy people don't do that way. Wealthy people, once they earn, they first save and then spend whatever that is left after saving. Even if it's small, start with something. Because this is not about the amount, it's about building the habit. Every day, keep telling yourself, my future matters first. Over time, that habit becomes automatic. And that is when things start to change in your life. Let me ask you a simple question. Be honest with yourself. Whenever you receive money, do you pay yourself first? Or do you pay bills first? Whatever that is in your mind right now answers you a lot of questions about your financial future. Step 3, build assets, not just income. Income is important, but income alone won't make you wealthy. Assets will. Assets are things that put money into your pocket, even when you are not working. Examples, a business, investments, skills that generate constant income. Most people focus only on earning. Wealthy people focus on owing. That's the difference. Because if you stop working today, your income will stop. But if you have assets, money will keep coming, even if you are not working. That's the difference. Step 4, delay lifestyle inflation. This is where most people lose the game. They make more money. They upgrade everything. Better phone, better clothes, more spending. Nothing wrong with enjoying your money, but timing matters. If you increase your lifestyles too early, you trap yourself. Instead, grow your income, grow your assets, then upgrade your lifestyle. Wealth is built in silence first. Enjoyment comes later. Step 5, stay consistent longer than everyone else. This is the step nobody likes because it's not exciting. There is no shortcut in making wealth. Wealth is not one big move. It's small correct actions repeated for years. Think of it like planting a tree. You don't need it up every week to shake if it is growing. Rather, you water it, you protect it, and give it time. Most people quit early, and that's become a problem. The ones who stays consistent eventually look lucky to everyone else. In summary of what I have just said, wealth is built by number 1, controlling your money. 2, paying yourself first. 3, building assets. 4, avoid early lifestyle upgrade. And 5, stay consistent. If you ignore all these things I said, you will keep earning but never moving forward. But if you apply it, your money will start building something real. Now, here is what I want you to do. Don't just watch this video and move on. Pick one step from this video and start today. And if you want to go deeper, watch my next video, where I will break down how to turn small income into real investment step by step. Subscribe and I will see you there. Thank you.